It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good morning one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, I am back with again one more the best question series, right? So where each and every question will be so crisp, so easy if you know the property. Hi Ghosh, right? I will share the mensuration link, right? I have done a comprehensive free class on Kreatryx channel itself, Gulab Ghosh. You just type mensuration, my name in Kreatryx channel, you will get the videos of mensuration for sure, right? From basic to the highest level. Once you try it, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section box, or you can ping me on the Telegram group also, right? I'll be helpful. Okay, shall we start the class? Yes. So before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma, and my best CAT score was 99.83 in 2011, and these are my credentials. Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get 10% discount, and you will get guidance of all these subjects from me. Now, why me? I am ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and ESE and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. Many students were asking me, sir, what is the difference between plus and iconic and what are the advantages when I choose iconic or plus? One such greatest advantage in iconic is you will be assigned with a personal coach. How this coach will be helpful? You will be getting one-to-one live mentorship with your coach and your educator, so that you can speak with them about your difficulties facing during your preparation, where you will get the best solutions to overcome that. One more greatest advantage, right? Personalized test analysis. This is what students need right now, right? Because most of the students complain me this, sir, we have completed the entire syllabus. We are not able to apply the things onto the questions. We are not able to solve the questions there. This is where your coach will be helpful. Each and every test will be analyzed and your mistakes are identified. And if those mistakes are rectified, automatically your score will be boosted. Right? So of course, right, whatever you get in plus, you will get in iconic also. How much you have to invest? If you are choosing plus and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 75 rupees per day, the lowest, where you'll get India's the best educators to teach for you. Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, you'll get my guidance and my entire group guidance, right, from Bhima sir, Vishal sir, Negi sir, finally to me, and you will get 10% off. After 10% off, yes, the price will be 53737 for 24 months. Of course, these are normal prices, but we have a special price for you up to July 29th. Normally, you get 10% discount with my referral code NLN10. Now you will be getting 20% off to July 29th here, right? And also, whomsoever are subscribing to Plus or Iconic, right, you will be getting printed notes, right? Also, so it's a double bonanza. Am I right or wrong? You will be getting 20% off and you'll be getting printed notes for Plus subscribers, and there is a price hike of at least 10% going on, right? You can beat their price hike. Overall, right, you are saving more than 30%. So do try to subscribe to Plus using with my code NLN10. Yes, get all these benefits there. Hi Ghosh, yeah, thank you. And again, right, these are the prices for Iconic. As I said, what are the features that you get in Iconic in the previous slides? And you will be getting printed notes also prepared by topmost educators in India. On these prices, you will be getting 20% off when you use my code NLN10. Yes, we heard you. So we have extended our price hike up to July 29th. As I said there, for Plus subscribers, you will be getting printed notes. You will be getting 20% off, and you can beat the price hike of 10%. Right? Overall, right, you are getting benefits of more than 30%. Right? Do try to subscribe. And yes, right, these are the batches, right? I have started my General Aptitude course on July 21st sharp 3:30 p.m. for Lakshya 23 and Pragati 24, right? Do try to enroll for these batches. So let's start the class here. Observe the question there. I will solve this question. Next question, I'll give you 2 minutes to solve for you, right? In the figure below, O is the center of the circle. Now see, this is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle with radius 5 centimeter, it seems. What is the question asked? If angle CAB is 20 degrees, first of all CAB, so I'll take a line segment from C to A, following angle CAB. Now this is CAB. I'll take down one more line segment up to B also. Correctly done. Here CAB is given as 20 degrees, it seems. You are asked to find out ADC angle. This is the question asked. Now closely observe, there we have a simple property. When you draw two chords with respect to the diameter of the circle, AB is nothing but diameter of the circle. With respect to the diameter of the circle, you have drawn a chord AC and CB, and these two chords are meeting on the circumference of the circle. By Thales theorem, right, a basic property, we know that the angle formed by the chords on the circumference of the circle will be equal to 90 degrees. Yes, perfectly. Now, ACB is a triangle. Sum of the angles of a triangle will be equal to how much? 180 degrees, 90 plus 20, 110. This is 70. And you closely observe there, on a circle, this is an arc. Written in reading, this is an arc. So angle B and angle D are the angles formed by the chords on the same arc. By this property, what we can say, the angles will be exactly same. Angle formed by the chords on the same arc will always be equal. And this is nothing but equal to 70 degrees. Perfectly done. Hope so I am clear regarding this. Yes or no? Yes, I can prove it in many ways. Marab dekho, right? See here. From here to here, it is nothing but completely. This is radius na. Ab dekho, I can easily prove it. This is radius. Up to here we have to take it. Now observe here. Yes, we are right. Yes, perfectly we are right. 70 degrees. So I'm trying to explain you different properties, right? So clear. Yes, basic property. Let's go with the next question. Let's see how many can solve this. I'm giving you 2 minutes to solve this. So today's series will be the best questions. Ask me regarding that. What the same arc means? Ab dekho, on a circle, right? So see here, angles are formed on the same arc. So I'll explain the next question there. The answer. "40 seconds more." Nobody. Answer for this. In the figure given below, again, I am showing this. This is OMA. The answer. Waiting for the answer side. See, Raghav is saying that C. Did C? This is a property, Raghav, that you have used to solve the question there. Observe there, I will be taking down like this. Now this is your O. Now O is the center of the circle with radius 5. Angle CEB is 20 degrees, it seems. So first of all, what is angle CEB? Is this angle CEB? I'll take down a line, a chord from C to B. Okay. Now this angle is nothing but given as 20 degrees, it seems. What is the question asked? You have to find out angle ADC, it seems. This is the question asked. Okay, fine. How did you started this? So I can do like this. Again, I can draw a line segment like this. So this will not be helpful in any way. So see, I'll do this thing. Now you closely observe there. From the center of the circle, I will be drawing up to see a chord which is nothing but called radius. Will you accept with me? Yes. Now radius of the circle will make 90 degrees with the tangent, and this is called tangent perpendicularity theorem. Will you accept with me? Yes, you will accept with me, right? So automatically what will be this angle there? Is it 90 degrees? Yes, it is 90 degrees. Okay, and again one more point. So if this is 90 degrees, observe triangle OCE. If you are observing triangle OCE, this is 90, this is 20. Now how much will be this? Will this be 70 degrees? Am I right or wrong? Yes, it will be 70 degrees. I hope so. I am clear regarding this. Yes or no? Perfectly done. Yes. Now if this is 70 degrees, now what will be this angle? This angle will be 110 degrees. Now closely observe there, 110 degrees is nothing but angle formed by OA, OC, central angle. So see here, angle formed by the chord AD and DC. By inscribed angle theorem, it will be exactly half. And my option will be 55 degrees. Will you accept with me regarding this? Please let me know, yes or no. Perfectly done. Yes. Or otherwise, you can do in this way also. So I can prove in another way also. See here, I'll prove in another way. Let us suppose take. Now closely observe there, triangle OCB. Triangle OCB is an isosceles triangle because OB is radius, OC is radius. angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. Now this angle and this angle will be equal. Now this is 70. What is the remaining thing? 110. 110 has to be divided into equal halves. Now this part will be 55 degrees and this part will be 55 degrees. Now close, so nobody observe there. This is the arc, right? Arc of a circle. On this arc, there are two angles formed. Am I right or wrong? And D and B. Both angles will be equal. These angles are formed by the chords. Angle formed by the chords on the same arc will be equal. This is the property there. So by this also I can prove it 55, 55. Either way, right? That's your choice there. I hope so you're getting my point there. Yes? Perfectly done. Chalo, let's go for the next one. Let's see how many can solve this. So those who know property of this question can solve this question fatafat and easily. Yeah. Let's see, Raghav, what's your answer there here? आज क्या हुआ, right? Strength is less, weekend enjoyment, right? Yesterday and day before yesterday, there were many students in the class here. हुआ? 1 minute more. I mean 1 minute 30 seconds more. Mr. Nobody, right? I hope so. I cleared your doubt. The figure given below, O is the not. This is O, not C and B intersecting point. Then this is not. This is the center of the circle with radius pi. Now, if BE is equal to AB, find CE. So, how many of you got a thought that simple property is helpful to solve this question in 30 seconds? Now, students must not take more than 30 seconds to solve this question. How it is B, Raghav, right? Any idea? So, why you are saying B? Is there any property that justifies your answer there? Only Raghav is answering. What about the remaining students? "30 seconds more. Is there any property that justifies your answer, Raghav?" Very good. It is not secant theorem. It is tangent secant theorem. Am I right or wrong? It is not exactly secant theorem. It is tangent secant theorem. Now you closely observe there. AE is a secant. Am I right or wrong? I'll write down here. AE is a secant. Now CE is a tangent. Yeah. CE is a tangent. Now we have a property called tangent secant theorem in circles. So how many of you got this idea there? Tangent secant theorem. I'll write down. According to tangent secant theorem, closely observe there, the secant AE into tail end part which is outside the circle is nothing but called BE into BE is nothing but equal to CE square. This is the theorem there. And you closely observe there, AO value is 5 because it is radius. OB value is 5 because it is radius. Any other point that is given there, BE is equal to AB it seems. Now AB value is how much, ma? 10. So BE value will also be 10. You accept with me? Yes. And you are asked to find out. So AE value is nothing but 5 plus 5 plus 5, 10, 20. Now BE value will be 10, which is nothing but equal to CE square. And my CE value will be equal to 10 root 2. And CE is nothing but called your secant value. So here with simple basic property, I have solved this question there. And my option number B. Done. Let's come to the next one, right? So again, so little bit twist is there in this question. So those who are very strong in basics can solve this question easily. Let's see how many can solve this. Put your pen on the paper there. Try it. So you might get wrong, but correct yourself here. Right? This is a practice session. Any answer, Raghav, Kundra, nobody, Anshul, Gupta. Yeah, I'm getting more views on GATE channel, yeah, than this here. And I'm getting very the best quality questions there here. Ten seconds more. No answer, Raghav. Opko. Now see here, O is the center of the circle. I will take down this. This is O. O is the center of the circle. Angle BCE is 30 degrees, it seems. What is this BCE? First of all, so see, I'll draw a chord from B to C. Now BCE, this is BCE, and this is nothing but called 30 degrees, it seems, and you are asked to find out perimeter of triangle ACE, it seems. So I'll take down one more chord. This is ACE. Now everybody know angle formed by the chords with respect to the diameter, and if these two chords meet on the circumference of the circle, by Thales theorem the angle will be 90 degrees. Am I right or wrong? Now this is 90 degrees. Okay, fine. If 90 degrees, what way this will be helpful? And again, you know, my AO value is nothing but equal to 5 and my BO value is nothing but equal to 5. So what way this, so this complete angle will be how much? 90 plus 30, 120. So if this is 120, what will be this angles there? Any other way? So we will do in one more way. Let's suppose I'll take down like this. I'll take down like this. 1 second. See here, what I will do is I will take down from O to C a line segment which is called radius. Okay, now see here, this complete angle, radius of a circle will make 90 degrees with the tangent. Am I right or wrong? So automatically this, and this is 30 na, this angle will be 60 degrees. Will you accept with me? 60 plus 30, 90 na? And again, this is an isosceles triangle. You closely observe there, OC, OB are nothing but equal sides, radius of the circle, and automatically angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. Now see here, this will be 60 and this will be 60 cent. See, am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Perfectly. Now by this, what can I say? This is 5, this is 5, and this is also 5. CB line segment is also 5. In what way this will be helpful? This, now closely observe there. This is 60 na. Some of the adjacent angles will be equal to 180. Now this will be 120. If this is 120, this is 30. Everybody know this will be 30. And again, I can prove like this also. 60 is exterior angle, 30 plus 30. Now see here again, triangle CBE is nothing but isosceles triangle. Will you accept with me? Yes, angles equal to opposite sides will be equal. Now this side is 5. Now this side BE value will also be 5. By this I got AE value. What is this AE value? AE value is nothing but equal to 15. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly done. Is there any other way that we can prove there? Now see, I can write down this property. Observe triangle OCE. Observe triangle OCE. Triangle OCE is in the format of 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle. Ma. I hope so you are getting my point there. 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle. Angle C is 90 na. Okay, this is 30, this is 60, this is 90. So the sides will be in the ratio of 1:√3:2. Okay, fine. In this, do you know any other angle there? Yes, now you know OC value is nothing but equal to 5. So this one part value is nothing but equal to 5. If this is 5, two parts value will be 10. Am I right or everybody know OE value is how much? 10 na? I have already proved it because OB is 5, BE is 5. Now how much will be this? This will be 5√3. Right or wrong? What is this 5√3? Is this nothing but called CE? Yes, this is C. Perfectly done. Now I got my CE value as 5 root 3. Is there anything that I have to prove there? CE is done, AE is done. Now if I can find out AC value, then my answer is done. Now you closely observe there, I can write down one more point. Now I have already proved that angle A, triangle ACB, AC and CB are chords. Now these chords are meeting on the circumference of the circle with respect to the diameter. So automatically angle made by the chords will be 90. So this is already given as 60 beta. So automatically how much will be this? This will be 30 na? Yes or no? This will be 30. So totally it will be how much here? 30, 60, 30, 120. Now this is 30. Now how much will be this? This will be 30 degrees. Again, a triangle ACB is also an isosceles triangle. Angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. Now here angles opposite to this side is equal, this side is equal. Already I have proved this. This angle is 5 root 3. So my AC side value also will be 5 root 3. Will you accept with me? Now add all these things, that will be the perimeter there. So this is 10, 5, 5, 15. AE value is 15. This is nothing but 2 into 5 root 3. 2 into 5 root 3 will be, this is your perimeter. So finally what is your perimeter value there? 10 root 3 plus 15. How many of you got this answer there? Your option number. Perfectly done, Raghav. So I am using only basic properties of triangles and circles to crack the question there, not using any hyperbolic formulas. I hope so I am clear. Shall we go for the next one? Yes, we'll go for the next one. Now, the last set in this series there, I'm expecting you guys to answer this. Let's see. 2 minutes. Again, this is a beautiful question there. Those who are strong in basics can solve this question fatafat. More. Little bit trickish question. You have to little bit focus on the data given there. Is asked what you have to do. You can use a similarities concept here because similarities can be easily deduced here. We normally don't endorse the similarity properties, right? Because I'm little bit against to that. I always focus on properties and solving the question there. Those who are joined might be confused. This is the center of the circle, go beta. All right, nobody's answering, right? Even though if it is wrong, don't worry about that, right? Because I cannot go beyond 2 minutes here. So the entire class will be timer only. Now see here, EC is extended up to P. Suppose I'll take down this point as P. And up to P now, such that angle APE is this is angle AP. This is 90 degrees, it seems. Okay, fine. If AE is 18 centimeter, so automatically dekho beta, I know AO is 5, I know OB is 5, then so I'll write on one part here so that we can be so clarity. OB is 5. Now how much will be my B value? Will it be 8? Yes, it is 8. Now what way this will be helpful? We'll see this. Then the perimeter of triangle APE is approximately the question asked. Okay, sure. We'll do one thing. Now see here, From O, center of the circle, I will be drawing the radius there. Now see here, radius of a circle will make 90 degrees with the tangent. Okay, now you closely observe there. I am observing two triangles. Now closely observe there. I'll write down this triangle APE. Triangle APE. And I am observing one more triangle, triangle OCE. Now these two are similar triangles. How? So angle P, angle C are 90 degrees in both triangles, and they have a common angle called E. So automatically by AA property, I can say these triangles are similar triangles perfectly. Now closely up in triangle APE, now see these two triangles are residing on the same base AE. In triangle APE, AE will be similar to in triangle OCE, OE. Hope so you are getting my point there. Now see here in triangle APE, I can consider AP is similar to OC. Yes, it is done. How much is AE value? That already you have written here 18. Okay. How much is your AP value? You don't know about your AP value. I'll write down here AP. Do you know how much is OE value? Yes, I know, right? OB value is 5. 5 plus 8 is nothing but equal to 13. Yes. How much is OC? OC is nothing but called radius of the circle, which is 5. So by this I can write down AP is nothing but equal to 18 into 5 by 13. So let's keep it aside, right? Later on we will use this data to solve the question there. I want perimeter of triangle APE. This is what the question asked. So I know AE value here. So I'll write down one by one, right? I know AE value here. Okay, which is nothing but 18. I know AP value. Now I want PE value. This is the only thing I need there. Am I right or wrong? So triangle APE is nothing but equal to a right angle triangle by Pythagoras theorem. I can do like this. Perpendicular sides are nothing but AP square plus PE square is nothing but equal to AE square. Will you accept with me? So our aim is to find out PE value right now. If I find out PE value, then my answer is done there. So I'll write down here. PE square is nothing but equal to, how much is AE value? Just now you have seen this 18. So this is 18 square. Now how much is AP value? AP value just now we have calculated 18 into 5 by 13. 18 to 5 by 13. So closely observe there. What can I do there now? The answer there 18 square. I can write down like this minus, so into 13 square minus 18 square into 5 square divided by 13 square. Okay. Now I can take down 18 square by 13 square. 18 square as common denominator. 13 square will be left over. So this will be 13 square minus 5 square. 13 square minus 5 square. 169 minus 5 square will be 12 square. Am I right or wrong? 144. 18 square by 13 square is nothing but 13 square minus 5 square will be 12 square. And this is your PE square value. Now I want my PE value there. PE value is nothing but equal to 18 into 12 by 5. Okay, this is the thing there. Now I want perimeter of the triangle APE. Okay, now already I have calculated. Now AP value is 18 into 5 by 13. Now PE value is 18 into 12 by 13. Now what is the other value left over? Next one is 18. Am I right or wrong? AE value is 18. It is given here. So I can take down 18 as common. I can take down 13 as here outside. And what will be left over here? 5 will be left over here. 12 will be left over here. Here how much? 13 will be left over here. Now calculate this and let me know the answer there, beta. So 5 plus 12, 17 plus 13 is 30. 18 by 13 into 30. So approximately what will be the value there into 1 second. 13 to 18 divided by 13 is nothing but 41.5. Approximately it will be 42. Is there any option which satisfies regarding 42? Yes, there is only one option, right? 41.538 something will be the answer there. Approximately your answer will be 42 centimeter. So with simple properties, I am solving the questions there, right? Observe the things carefully. I hope so. I am clear. Will we go for the next one? Now, see here, so till now, you guys might have solved Pythagorean triplets, but this is not Pythagorean triplets. The question asked is, which of the following set of three numbers cannot represent, I am underlining the point there, cannot represent altitudes of a triangle, it seems. Now, let's see how many can answer this. So those who watch my geometry sessions, trust me, you can score full to full in geometry for sure. So please do try to hit the like button here. Those who are in the class and are liking the session there. More number of audience here. Wish also to reach to more number of audience. "45 seconds. Very easy question. Those who know basic properties can easily solve this question here. Of course, little bit time taking procedure, but you can do it. Mohanty, right? Mohanty, silent today, but regular to my class. Bhavesh is regular to my class. Nobody. Oh, I expected you guys will answer this question. Let's take a triangle here. नहीं चाहिए रे टाइप. So I take a triangle ABC. Observe there, from vertex A, I'll drop a perpendicular or altitude. Okay, I'll take down this as AD. From B, I'll take a perpendicular, altitude. C, I'll take a perpendicular. Right now, these are altitudes, right? So this is D. Take down this as D. Now closely observe there, area of triangle ABC. When I consider AD as height, altitude of a triangle, will be equal to half into, yes, it will be helpful, Aniket. Base is BC and this is AD. Am I right or wrong? Now closely observe the same triangle. If I consider BE as altitude, what will be the area of the triangle? Base is AC and height of the triangle is BE. Everybody know half into base into height na? If I consider CF as altitude of a triangle, then my area of the triangle will be, base value will be AB into CF. Okay, fine. I'll take one option there, then I'll substitute. Okay, I'll take down first option 2 comma 3 comma 4. So 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 get cancelled off. So see here, so my BC value will be, I'll take down as 2. So 2AD is equal to 3AC, right or wrong? Not 3AC, right? 3AC only, base is equal to 4AB. Now all these values will be equal to some K value. Am I right or wrong? So by this, can I write down my AD value is equal to K by 4, K by 2, sorry. AD value as K by 2. Not AD value, ma BC value, ma. Sorry. This These are altitudes na, AD value no. This is BC values. C, AB. So this is BC is equal to K by 2. So see here, and again I can take down AC is equal to K by 3. I'll take a value which is divisible by 2 comma 3 comma 4. That will be very happy na. AB is equal to K by 4. 2 comma 3 comma 4 का LCM बताओ by 12. Yes or no? Yes. I'll take down my K value as 12 by taking an LCM of 2 comma 3 comma 4. 2 comma 3 comma 4 का LCM is 12. So automatically this K value is divisible by 2, 3, 4. By this I can take down my BC value as 12 by 2 is 6. Now AC K by 3 value as 12 by 3 4. K by 4 value 12 by 4 is 3. 6 comma 4 comma 3 are the length of the line segment values of AB, BC, C. Is the question done? No, the question is not done. Ab dekho, in order to prove a triangle, so automatically what the thing is, sum of the two sides of a triangle must be greater than the third side. Am I right or wrong? This is what we have to do. AB plus BC is nothing but equal to AC. So complete all the properties of triangles. BC plus AC is nothing but greater than AB. Now this is what we have to, sum of the two sides of a triangle must be greater than third side. Now prove it. 6 plus 4 is greater than 3. Perfectly done. 4 plus 3 is greater than 6. Perfectly done. Now so I'll write down here. 6 plus 4 is greater than 3. Yes, it is true. 4 plus 3 it is greater than 6. Yes, it is true. 6 plus 3 is greater than 4. Yes, it is true. Yes, your first option 2 comma 3 comma 4 will be satisfying the altitudes of a triangle. This is the way to solve the question there. So how many of you got the point there? In the similar way, do try to solve the second one also will satisfy. Shall I do second one? I'll do second one, right, for you, right? 3 comma 5 comma 7, so that I can prove it, right? I'll go with the wrong option. So automatically 3 comma 5 comma 7 can be proved now. So this cannot be done. 4 comma 7 comma 10. I'll share this. 4 comma 7. I'll take down the same values there. BC is equal to, I can take down like this, right? 2 into BC na 4 into BC is equal to 3 into AC and 7 into AC here equal to 10 into AB. So automatically 4 comma 7 comma 10 LCM batao by 2 into 5. So automatically 4 5s are 20. What it becomes there? 140. Am I right or wrong? 2 into 5 now 4 into 5 20 140. So 140 matlab what will be my BC value? 140 matlab. So 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 20. What will be my AC value? AC value will be 20. AB value will be 14. So will it be the exactly sides of a triangle? Let's see. 35 plus 20 is greater than 14. Yes, accepted. 35 plus 14 is nothing but more than 20. Yes, accepted. 20 plus 14 is not greater than 35. There we are getting wrong there. I hope so you are getting my point there, right? So these are not the line segment, length of the line segments of the triangle. So automatically this will be not the altitudes of the given triangle there. So this is the way to prove, to solve the question there. How many of you got this idea there? So in this, there is no hyperbolic approach there. Those who know basics can solve the question perfectly and fatafat. Done? Let's go for the next one, right? Let's see how many can solve this. Now, this is a question which was asked in CAT, but it twisted one, right? It changed pattern there. Let's see how many can solve this. One of the best question in geometry. Minute more, yeah. minute more. Kadham. So why you are not active in the class here? You can ask me any doubt in the comment. That's what, right? Our special classes, we will be having more interaction on this YouTube. You can ask me, talk to me, right? That's why, right? The special class platform, I mean, our Unacademy platform will be more dynamic, can interact more. The class will be so interesting. The answer for this: consider a triangle ABC and a circle such that point A lies on the circle and the circle intersects BC at 2 points D and E, it seems. The circle intersects AB at F and AC at G. It is given that BF is equal to C, BD is equal to CG. The ratio of BD is to DE is to EC is given is equal to 2 is to 7 is to 3. Find the ratio of these sides. So, बहुत ज़्यादा है ताई. Let's see. So I'll take the shape, then we can understand this. Okay. This is a circle here. In this circle, consider a triangle ABC and a circle such that point A lies on the circle. Now point A lies on the circle. And the circle intersects BC at 2 points, it seems. So see, let us suppose I'll take a triangle like this. A point lies on the circle. Now circle intersects BC. Now this is triangle BC na. At 2 points D and E. Now this is D. Okay. Intersects BC at 2 points. Now see, I can, now this is D, this is E, this is the point given there. Again, the circle intersects AB at F. Now this is point F and AC at G. The point called G. It is given that BF is equal to C, BF line segment is equal to CE line segment, it seems. So I'll take down a dot 1 second here. These two are same, it seems. So, and BD, I'll take red dot. BD is equal to CG, red dot. Okay, fine. Is there any point given there? BD is to DE is to EC is given as. So I'll take a common factor called X so that I can find out the values very easily. Now BD value is nothing but equal to 2x, it seems. Now BD value is 2x, matlab my CG value will also be 2x. Will you accept with me? Yes, perfectly, because BD is equal to 2x. Okay, fine. Any other point given there? DE is equal to, now this point is 7x, it seems. EC is nothing but equal to 3x, it seems. So if EC is 3x, BF must also be 3x because that is what given there. BF is equal to EC. So this is 3x and this will be 3x. Okay, fine. Find the ratio of the sides of AB and AC is the question. We have one property in secants here. How many of you remember that? When two secants meet externally on a circle, then what are the properties there? Now closely observe there. Observe the left hand side. Observe the left hand side. Observe there. AF into BF is nothing but equal to B is nothing but the external point up to the meeting point there. BD into D. Am I right or wrong? BD into D. Will you accept with me or otherwise? No, yeah. This is not the property, right? I wrote the reverse property. Now see, they are meeting externally. I wrote for internally. So see here, AB is a secant because it is meeting on 2 points on the circle. BE is a secant and they are meeting externally. So AB line segment into the part which is outside the circle, BF. This is the property exactly is equal to BE into BD. BD is nothing but the part which is outside the circle. Now AB, now how much is BF value? Is nothing but 3x. How much is BE value? 2x plus 7x is 9x into how much is BD value? BD value is 2x. Now this is 18x here. how much will be this AB value? This must also be 18. If it has to be 18, this has to be 6x. Done in writing so that we can get more clarity. 6x now. Quickly done. So let's come to the right hand side. I'll write down in black ink. Come to right hand side. The same property will work out. AC into the tip which is outside the circle CG is nothing but equal to, this is the secant property. We have done a question with secants meeting internally in the previous class. Now we are doing externally, right? CD only up to the point here, right? Into EC. You accept with me. Now CD is how much? 7x plus 3x, it is 10x. How much is EC? It is 3x, so it will be 30x. How much will be how much is CG? 2x. So how much must be AC in order to become 30x? LHS must be equal to RHS now. It has to be 15x. Am I right or wrong? So what is the question asked? Your question asked is ratios of AB is to AC. I got my answer perfectly. AB is 6x. AC is 15x. So is it nothing but called 2 is to 5? Is this my answer there? It's perfectly. This is my answer. So those who know the properties perfectly, application is very, very easy, right? Application of the properties is the main thing in geometry. Done. Let's solve next question there. Yes. And again, this was a twisted question of previous year, P by Q only. Let's see how many can solve this. Similar type of P by Q is there. Not exactly. So we have twisted this and made this question. Seconds more. Again, this is also basic triangle properties only here, more than that. No answers, right? Let's see. Point O is the center of two concentric circles, it seems, as shown below. Angle XOY is 70 degrees. Now see here, angle XOY is this angle XOY, and this is given as 70 degrees, it seems. And you are asked to find out angle XZY cannot be determined. Preet Chada, no Preet. We can find out the answer there, yeah. This is the question asked, XZY. Chalo, right. So I will round off the part. Observe triangle PXO. Observe triangle PXO. I'm underlining this point. So observe here. I'll write down. In triangle PXO, now OP is radius and OX is radius of the outer concentric circle. So it is not 110 degrees cant, right? So angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. So what I will do, the angle opposite to this side will be this one. And is this one right? Yes, perfectly. Now I will take down this angle as A and I will take down this angle as A. So automatically 2A plus Y is nothing but equal to 180 degrees. I'll take down like this. Okay. So chalo, what I will do, I will remove this. Observe here, this is 70 degrees, which was, I can write down this. Sum of the adjacent angles will be equal to 180 degrees. X plus y plus 70 is nothing but equal to 180 degrees. So my x plus y is nothing but equal to 110 degrees. Okay. Keep it aside. And you closely observe that. Observe triangle OYS. I am underlining this. OYS. OS is nothing but, yes, very good. OS is nothing but radius. OY is nothing but radius. Angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. I'll take down this angle as B and I'll take down this angle as B. By this I can write down 2B plus X is nothing but equal to 180 degrees. So finally, can I write down this as 2 into A plus B plus X plus Y is nothing but equal to 180 degrees. And you closely observe there, you know this X plus Y is equal to 110 degrees. So A plus B is nothing but equal to how much here? A plus B is equal to 180 minus 110 is 70. 70 by 2 is 35 degrees. Am I right or wrong? Did I miss out anything there? No, yeah, this is 360 na. This is 360 na. No. 180 plus 180 is 360. So 360 minus, so this is 250 by 2. 250 by 2 is nothing but equal to 125 degrees. Now observe triangle PSZ. PSZ. Observe triangle PSZ. Now angle A plus angle B plus angle Z is nothing but equal to 180 degrees. And already you have calculated this A plus B as 125 degrees. So what will be my angle Z value? Angle Z value will be 55 degrees. So aram se, right? So don't, so your procedure is right. Somewhere you have missed out it. So observe the things where you have missed out it. Automatically you can solve the question easily, right? So option number C. Perfectly done. Hope so I'm clear regarding this. Done. Go for the next one. Yes, Preet, right? So your observation is right. One such beautiful question with the triangles and circles. So I thought of solving this question at the start of the class only. Came at last. Try this. So how are the questions? Cat, Preet, Keith. Where is Raman today? Avoid Preet. This is my third class on YouTube channel. I became your favorite hits. Answer, don't get defocused, right? So the question there. For this, in the adjacent figure, AB is the diameter of a circle of radius 10, it seems. Okay, fine. So, okay. So I will take down this as the center of the circle, O. And closely observe there. And again, one more point. Is the diameter of the circle a radius 10? CD and EF are chords which are parallel to AB and at a distance of 6 and 2 units respectively from AB, it seems. What is the ratio of DF to BD is the question. First of all, I need the values of CD and EF values. What are the chord length? So first of all, see, when I drop a perpendicular from the center of the circle onto the chords, it will divide the chords into two equal halves. Everybody know this is the basic property. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So what I will do is, now closely observe there, OD is also radius. OD is also radius. Now OD value is nothing but equal to how much? 10. Everybody know this up to here, this value is 6. Now how much this value? Pythagorean triplet 8. The same thing will be replicated on the left hand side also. So by this, what can I say? My CD value is nothing but equal to how much? 8 plus 8, is it 16? Yes, it is 16. In the similar case, I will find out this one also, EF value. Now see here, from O to F is also radius of the circle, and this is 10. Now this value will be 8. Now how much will be this value? This value will be 6, Pythagorean triplet, and the same will be replicated on the left hand side also. So by this I can decide my EF value is nothing but equal to, my EF value is nothing but equal to 12. Yes, perfectly, I will take down this 12. So I'll erase this data because it will be too clumsy later on to solve the question. Then now what is the question asked? What is the ratio of DF? Now see here, DF is nothing but this one. Again, if I write down blacking, you cannot observe this, right? DF, ready? Any other question there apart from this? So DF is the data asked. And again, BD is, it's in BD means this one. BD. Okay, fine. So see here how I will solve it. Now, see here, this, it is, I will drop a perpendicular exactly like this. And see here, this will be the same thing on the left hand side also. Am I right or wrong? AC will also be same. AC is equal to BD. Everybody should accept this. I'll drop a perpendicular from here to here. Now you closely observe there. This is 90 degrees. If I drop a perpendicular there, this is 90 degrees. You should accept this. This is 90 degrees. Okay. Now closely observe that this length is 6. Am I right or wrong? Because it is exactly parallel now. Now closely observe there, from this point to this point, is it nothing but called CD? So see here, I'll take from this point to this point, is it nothing but called CD? And you closely observe there, one angle is 90 degrees, side is 6 exactly, BD and AC length are equal. So automatically I can prove that these two triangles are exactly congruent. Am I right or wrong? In a Pythagorean triplet, if one angle is 90 degrees and two sides are same, and third side will also be damn surely same. There is no choice there, right? Because by Pythagorean theorem, hypotenuse, two sides are equal now. So see here, CD value is 16, AB value is 20, diameter na. So how much is left over? 4 is left over, and this 4 should be equally shared to this value, 2 and 2. I hope so you got my point there. Now this is 2, this is 6. Now what will be the BD value there? By Pythagoras theorem, root of 40. So this will be 2 root 10. Am I right or wrong? Similar concept, I will follow the same concept here. Observe here. Now BF. Now CE length also will be same. CE length will also be same. And I'll drop a perpendicular exactly to understand this. So see here, perpendicular here, perpendicular here. Now see here, the distance between these perpendiculars will be equal to EF chord length 12. So again, this is 90 degrees. You should exactly perpendicular na 90 degrees. This is also 90 degrees. So see here, this is 2, 90 degrees, CE, DF length are equal. So automatically the other line segment value must also be equal, and they are congruent triangles, right? So automatically, so 4, 16 minus 12, 4 is left over. So 2 and 2 will be equally shared. This is 2, this is 2, and this is 2. Now automatically by Pythagoras theorem, what will be the value there? 4 plus 4, 8 is 2 root 2. Am I right or not? What is the question asked? DF length. DF ratio is nothing but BD ratio is the question asked. DF is nothing but 2 root 2. BD length is 2 root 10. So 2 gets cancelled there. I can write down root 10 as root 2 into root 5. So my ratio will be 1 is to root 5. Any of you got this value there? My option number B satisfies exactly. Done. Perfect question now. Hope so I'm clear. Let's solve one more, right? I'll end the session with this, right? Tomorrow we'll continue. One more, similarities of triangles, as we have done congruency in the previous session, previous slide. Let's do this question. I'll end this class with this question. Monday we'll continue. Monday. Tomorrow we'll take a leave, right? Questions but with circles, right? So using similarity properties of triangles, we can solve this question very easily, right? So do try to solve this. Similarity properties of triangles. Tomorrow we'll continue with one more the best series of questions. Okay. Five seconds more. So the things there. If the areas of the three regions LNPQ, QPBW and WVN in the figure below are 21, 15 and 12 centimeters square respectively, then you are asked to find out the relationship between there. Is it QW is equal to PB? Is it QL is equal to WN? Is it MB is equal to BN? Is it PQ is equal to 2L 2 into VW? This is the question. Yes. Now, are you finding out any similarity property there? Mostly you should find out this, right? Anybody, any answers, right? Sindhu, History of Railways, Praveen, Desh, right? Hello, observe here. We have a property in similarities of triangles, right? Area of the triangle, two similar triangles, area of two similar triangles, if they are similar, automatically it will be equal to the square of their sides. It will be equal to square of their sides. Now you closely observe there, I am drawing two triangles there. Area of triangle LMN. Area of triangle LMN. And I am writing down one more triangle there. They are similar. So I'll take down like this. Now these two triangles are similar. Area of triangle QPN, because they both have a common angle called N and they both have two dots. These are angles, man. The dots are exactly equal. So by AA property, I can say these two triangles are similar. If these two triangles are similar, automatically their side squares will also be similar, right? So LMN and QPN are residing on the same base. So I can take down this very easily. MN whole square divided by PN whole square. Yes, perfectly. And what is the area of triangle LMN? So 21 plus 15 plus 12, is it 36? 48? Yes, 48 divided by area of QPN is 27. By this I can write down this as 3 ones are 3 6 are 27 is nothing but 9. So automatically my MN is to PN value will be how much? Will it be 4:3? Yes, it is 4:3. Done. Then I'll go with the next one, right? So next triangles, right? So I have to frame the relationships now. Area of triangle QPN. Area of triangle QPN and area of triangle, triangle WVN are similar. They both have common angle called N and two dot angles are also same. WVN is nothing but equal to, can I write down this as PN whole square divided by, is this Did I have done any mistake there? Yes, correct. Pn square plus Vn square. Now how much is triangle? 27 beta. WVN area is 12. So I can write down like this. This is 4 and this is 3. Am I right or wrong? Of course, right? So I'll write down this is 9. So by this, what can I write down? My Pn value is nothing but equal to Pn ratio will be equal to 3:2. Chalo. Now Vn value is nothing but equal to 2, it seems. Yes. Now how much is Mn? Mn is 4. If Mn is 4, Vn is 2, then Mv will also be 2. Perfectly done. 2 and 2. So by this I can write down Mv is equal to Vn. My C option exactly satisfies that because both are 2 and 2. So see, I can prove it very easily compared to the ABC options there. How many of you got this logic there? Yes, perfectly done. So we will solve the next set of questions tomorrow sharp 10:30 AM, right? So how is the class today? As you all know, I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Yes, you can unlock free classes on Unacademy app using with my code NLN10. Yes, you can unlock combats using with my code NLN10. So these are the normal prices for plus, right? But we have a special offer right now, right? So up to July 29th, you will be getting flat 20% off when you use my code NLN10. Right? So flat 20% discount on the subscription, plus you will be getting printed notes for plus subscribers. It is not only for iconic, and plus you can beat the price hike. So all these triple bonanza, right? This price hike is at least 10% here. So see here, you will be getting 20% off printed notes facility and the price hike. So overall, right, you are saving more than 30%, right? So do try to subscribe before July 29th. Yes. And yes, those who are aiming at only test series, do try to have this Unacademy Lite subscription, and do try to ask me doubts in the community feature here. I am forwarding the notes every day, right? So I am forwarding my updates regarding my classes, everything to this community feature. Do try to interact with me, ask your doubts, right? If you have any doubt, any question, so Unacademy has an extraordinary feature called Unacademy Ask a Doubt. Click the picture of the doubt, crop it, and upload in doubts and solution section. Select your preferred language and get the video solution within minutes. You can ask 3 doubts at a time. So do try to join my special classes here. My special class has very good crowd, right? At least 150 to 200 members are there in each and every class, right? As I'm dealing strategy sessions, so which got hugely hit, right? And the interaction level will be 10x more than in this YouTube channel, right? You can talk and you can ask all your doubts. And please do try to hit the like button here. Share my classes if you like it so that I can reach to more number of audience. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, get the updates by hitting the bell icon, right? Thank you and have a nice day.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.